friends, I'm Mustafil and you are watching my channel New Futures for You. So let's go to the future. So friends, I will face in front of you with a problem, which is if a complex number is 1 upon I minus 1, then conjugate of the complex number is, there is given some option. Option A is minus 1 upon I minus 1. Option B is 1 upon I plus 1. Option C is minus 1 upon I plus 1, or option D is 1 upon I minus 1. So which is the following answer is conjugative of the complex number? This problem is very easy and very important for any exam. I will solve it with normally and technically. So let's start with normally. If I'll put here example of a complex number, z is complex number, then the value of z is equals to x plus I y. Here x is real and y is imaginary. Then the conjugative of z is z1 equals to x plus x minus iy. This is conjugative of z. So that's mean conjugative become I is minus I equals to x plus minus I y. Here I become minus I. Equally in this complex number I become minus I. If we go it normally, then it takes huge time. So let's start with normally. I'll call it z equals to a complex number 1 upon I minus 1 is equals to I plus 1 upon I minus 1 into I plus 1 is equals to I plus 1 upon I square minus 1 square is equals to I plus 1 upon minus 1 is equals to minus 1 upon 2 into I plus 1 is equals to minus 1 upon 2 plus minus 1 plus I minus 1 upon 2. So it is complex number, and conjugative of the complex number is z dash equals to minus 1 upon 2. I becomes minus I, so minus I into minus 1 upon 2 implies that minus 1 upon plus I upon 2 is equals to I minus 1 upon 2 is equals to, now I'm taking here minus common, so 1 minus I upon 2 is equals to minus 1 into 1 plus I upon 2 into 1 plus I is equals to minus into 1 square minus I square upon 2 to 1 plus I is equals to minus 1 plus 1 upon 2 1 plus I is equals to minus 2 upon 2 1 plus I equals to 2 out, minus 1 upon 1 plus I. So the answer is option C, minus 1 upon I plus 1. If we put conjugative value of I, then easily it's become minus 1 upon I plus I. So I will clearly doing here z equals to 1 upon minus 1 plus I, minus 1 plus I. So the conjugative complex number z dash equals to 1 upon minus 1 minus I minus 1 equals to 1 upon minus common I plus 1 equals to minus 1 upon I plus 1. So it is solved very easily, and it will it will take very huge time, but if we put conjugative value of I in first, then it's easily happened. Its answer minus 1 upon I plus 1, which is option C. If my videos were touched you, then like it, share it with your friend who has watched this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. New features for you.